How to find a specific word on Word document. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to search and find a specific word on any document on Word app. So first thing, go to Word. Now choose the document that you want to search in, for example this one. Now let's say that you want to find this insert word. All what you have to do is go here and click on this search icon and search for insert. And as you can see, now I found them easily, fast and easy. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.